guys, my name is Kimmy. I am a lifestyle blogger. Today's focus is how to create an easy peasy glowy goddess look right at home. We're gonna be using this Nomad Cosmetics Kiss of Sun palette. I'm gonna go in and use the Manly Beach. It's the darkest one. And I'm just gonna go and tap it on my cheeks. And then I like to do it on my forehead as well. And don't forget the chin. So next I'm gonna do the eyes. I'm actually gonna use the same color, Manly Beach. Using the same color on your eyes and your cheeks, it kind of just pulls everything together. Next I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I'm gonna actually spray my flat brush. And I'm gonna go in and use the color Tahiti, which is like another dark bronzy brown. Next, I'm gonna use the color Zanzibar on my cheeks, and I'm just gonna sweep it right at the top. Next, we are gonna be taking the color Seychelles. I'm just gonna lightly go over the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow, and going in the corner of my eyes with it, and it just makes your eyes pop. Okay, now that my eyeliner and my lashes are on, I can use the same Manly Beach color as on my cheeks and my eyes. And I'm just gonna put a little bit at the bottom of my eyes to just pull everything together. And just like that, you're done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this everyday indoor bronze tutorial. I wanted to create a way for you guys to basically bring some natural warmth and color to your complexion. Until next time, please stay safe.